Dear children, we see many objects in our daily life. Wherever we go, we see objects. All the objects are not in the same size. Objects are different shapes, sizes, colors, etc. Isn't it? So we can differentiate the objects by comparing two or more things. In this video, we will learn the comparison words and to how we can classify and discriminate things on the basis of size, shapes, colors, height, position, etc. Okay? The first comparison word is small. Look at this. This is a small mango. Small. Small. Big. Big. Small. Big. Look at these two animals. Which is a big animal? Elephant or the mouse? Yes, this is the big animal. Elephant is the big animal. Elephant is big. Mouse is small. Lion and mouse, which one is big? The lion is big and the mouse is small. Big, small. Big, small. Next, here you can see two fish, the red and an orange one. Which is the big fish here? The orange or the red? Yes, correct. Orange is big, red is small. Big, small. Very good. Now, two vegetables. Tomato, brinjal. Some brinjals come in small size also, but the one which I have pasted here is the big brinjal. Have you ever seen the big one? Yes, big brinjal. Tomato, brinjal, which is a big vegetable. Yes, tomato is small, but the brinjal is big. Big, small. Big, small. So, small, big, small, big, big, small, small, big, small, big. So the first two comparison words we have learnt are big and small. Now, biggest, the biggest. The biggest and the smallest. You can see these trees. Which one is the biggest? I have already put a tick. This one. This is the biggest. And the smallest is this one. And in these three strawberries, which one is the biggest? This one is the biggest. And these three balloons, blue, red, green. Green is the smallest and red is the biggest. Good. Now comes the fishes again. Red fish, blue fish and green fish. So which is the biggest fish here? The red is the biggest fish. This fish is the biggest fish here. So biggest, the biggest and the smallest. Okay. Next comparison words are less, more. Less मतलब थोड़ा सा, more ज़्यादा. Less, more. The examples are less flowers but more flowers. You can see there are so many flowers here. less flowers but more flowers. Can you see them? There are so many flowers here. I can adjust the camera. You can see now. More flowers. Less flowers and then more flowers. Clear? Less, more. Less, more. Very good. Our next comparison word set is short, long. Short, long. Lamba or chota. This caterpillar is short. This caterpillar is short. But this caterpillar is long. This is a very long caterpillar. Can you see how long it is? See, its face is here. It's gone like this. It's a very long caterpillar. This is a long caterpillar. So, short, long. Short, long. Okay, short, long. This is small, this is a short caterpillar and this is a long, very long caterpillar. Okay, some more examples are, tick the long object. Which one is long here? This one or this one? Tell me, which is a long object here? This one, this brown pants or this blue shorts? Yes, this is a short one and this is the long one. So put a tick here. So long, short, long, short, long, short. Now two pencils are there, one crayon and one pencil. Which is long here? This pencil or the crayon? Look at the object carefully and say. Yes, this pencil is long and this crayon is short. This pencil is long and the crayon is short. Yes. And then next, see, one small caterpillar is here and the very big snake is here. See, very long snake. Isn't it? Which is long and which one is short? The snake is very long. See? And the caterpillar is very small, very short. So long, short, long, short, long, short. Okay, clear? Okay, next is again comparing things. Take the longest snake. Here three snakes are here. Which one is the longest? Green, orange and grey. Look at the snakes carefully and tell me which one is the longest. Yes, grey. This grey snake is the longest one. And these three malas are there. Pink, grey and blue. Which one is the longest? Yes, this red one, pink one is the longest. And out of these three pencils, grey, yellow and red, which one is the longest? Yes, this red is the longest. And here three ropes are there. Orange, grey and red. Which rope is the longest? This red is the longest. Okay, so clear? Longest and shortest. Long short concept is clear? Very good. Next, heavy and light. See, I have made a small seesaw. Here I have made to sit two animals, elephant and cat. You know which is the heaviest one? Which is heavy here? Elephant or the cat? So elephant is the heavy animal here. Okay? So elephant is heavy, cat is light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Okay? So we can see an example. I have pasted two vegetables here, pumpkin and brinjal. Which is heavy, pumpkin or brinjal? Pumpkin is heavy, brinjal is not heavy, isn't it? So put a tick on this, pumpkin. Next comes tall, short. Tall, short. Tall and short. Who is tall here? Short matlab chota. He is short, but he is very tall. So he is tall and he is short. Tall, short. Clear? Some examples. Which tree is tall here and which one is short? This tree is tall, but this tree is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Okay? Tick the picture of the plant that is short. We have to put a tick on the plant which is a short one. Which one is short here? This one or this one? Yes, this one is short. Okay? Next, same, different. Our next concept is same and different. So look at the pictures. 3 pictures are given. Out of these 3, 2 are same. Tick the same object. We have to tick the same object. This is a bird, this is a duck, and this is also a bird. These 2 are sparrows and this is a duck. Duck is also a bird actually. So but these 2 are same. So we have to put a tick on these 2. Clear? Which 2 flowers are same? Hibiscus and sunflower. These 2 are sunflower. Sunflower or dahlia? Sunflower दे लगता है ये. So 2 flowers. These 2 flowers are same, but this is a different one. Next, apple, brinjal and apple. Which 2 fruits are same here? Apple, same. Brinjal is different. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Next comes tall, short. Again, one more tall, short is there. Giraffe and cat. Which is a tall one and which is a short one? Giraffe is tall, but cat is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Okay? Good. Next, far, near. Near matlab paas mein and far means dur. So now the butterfly is very far. Now the butterfly is near. It's near the flower now. The butterfly is now near the flower. Far, near. Far, दूर है अभी. Now it is near. Far, near. Okay? Clear? Far, near. Good. Our next concept is inside and outside. See, look at this picture. I have made a fish pot here. There are many fishes inside. The fishes are inside the pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 fishes inside. The fishes are inside. Now, can I take them out? The fishes are, the blue and the brown fishes are outside. They are again inside. The fishes are inside. The fishes are inside. And then I try to remove, I try to bring them outside. See, the fishes are now outside. Outside, and then again inside. So inside मतलब अंदर, outside means बाहर, अंदर बाहर, इसको अंदर बाहर करते हैं. ओके, inside and outside. Okay, clear? Inside and outside. Yes, very good. Now next comes on, under. On, under. So few things are kept on the table and one thing is under the table. Under मतलब नीचे, on मतलब ऊपर. Look at the picture carefully and tell me, book. Is this book on the table or under the table? The book is on the table. So we can write on here. Lamp. Lamp is on the table or under the table? टेबल के ऊपर है ना, on. The ball is under the table. टेबल के नीचे है ball. नीचे means under. So under. And then vase. Flower vase is on the table. Flower vase is on the table. So on means ऊपर, under means नीचे. Clear? On, under. The book is on the table. The lamp is on the table. The flower vase is on the table. But the ball is under the table. Okay? Clear? Very good. Next comes rolling and sliding. So actually when some objects, the objects which have a circular surface, जो गोल surface है, those objects will roll. They take turns over and over. It means they are rolling. But some वो ये लुढ़क कर आता है ना, ऊपर से हम इसको गिराएंगे तो ये लुढ़क कर आता है. But some objects they have a flat surface. जो flat surface होते हैं they slide and come down. So इसमें से हम पहले एक डेमो देखते हैं. After seeing the demo, we can do this exercise. Okay, I have made a small slide. See, can you see this? It is a small slide. जैसे आप पार्क में खेलते हैं ना, वो ऐसे एक स्लाइड बनाया. Can you see this clearly? तो now I will put few items one by one. You have to see whether it is coming by sliding or by rolling. This is an eraser and it has a flat surface. So when I put it, see how it is coming? It is not rolling, it is sliding. Slide होके आ रहे ना, ये सरक कर आ रहे. Next, potato. It has a circular surface. इसका जो surface है वो गोल है. See कैसे लुढ़क कर आता है ये. Can you see this? Yes. Next, onion is also circle in shape. इसका भी surface वो है, इस सर्कुलर है. इसका देख लो, ये yes, it is rolling. Look at this scale. The scale has a flat surface. It is not rolling, it is sliding. You can see. Can you see clearly? Yes. Next, tomato. Tomato. Tomato is rolling or sliding? Tomato is rolling. Okay, next, this matchbox. This matchbox is flat in surface. Surface of the matchbox is flat. The matchbox is rolling or sliding? The matchbox is sliding, it is not rolling. Yes. Next, this is a cap of a glue bottle. See how it is coming. It is rolling. It is taking turns over and over, isn't it? Next, I have this marker pen. ये flat है. It is sliding. है ना, ये लुढ़क कर नहीं आया because it has a flat surface. So you can see ये एक कलर है, ये गोल है. इसको देखते हैं. See how it is coming. It is rolling. So few items, those who have a flat surface, they slide, and items like tomato, onion, lemon, they will roll. Okay, clear? So ये छोटा सा एक स्लाइड बनाया मैंने आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करने के लिए. Now our concept is clear. Now we can see how many the items that rolled and few items that have slide down. See अभी इसमें से अभी सॉल्व करते हैं. Onion, rolling or sliding? Onion is rolling. Gift box will slide because it has a flat surface. Ruler आपने देखा ना स्केल को. This will slide. Apple, roll. Tomato, yes, tell me. Yes, tomato will roll. Ball will roll. Egg will roll. Photo frame I have not tried because I don't have a small photo frame with me, but it will definitely slide because photo frame has a flat surface. Book will slide. Book will not roll. Okay, clear? So did you enjoy this video? Okay, now finally the comparison words which we have learnt in this video are more, less, big, small, tall, short, long, short, heavy, light, same, different, far, near, outside, inside, rolling, sliding, and on, under. Okay, clear? Okay children, watch the video and practice. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.